Alright, so there's something called a compound expression. And a compound expression is when you have more than one expression within a decision statement. So going back to other lectures, when we used the if statement and we said if age is greater than 21, well, a compound expression might ask, well, if age is 21 and age is greater than 25, then do this. So, there's more than just one decision that needs to be made within one central if expression statement. So it allows you to essentially skip the process of nested statements by just putting everything inside one compound decision, Boolean expression. So compounds, if statements use decisions to determine outcomes. This you know. Well, something you would know that it is possible to combine multiple decisions into one if statement. So this is done by using the AND operator or operators or different operators aside from those two, but we're going to focus on those for this lecture. So in addition to this, you can replace the use of nested statements if you use compound expressions and use compound operators such as and or. So the AND operator, you write it using two ampersands, and it determines whether two decisions are both true. The Boolean expression must be written on both sides of the operator. So basically, you would have to type if age is greater than 21, then double ampersands, age is less than 25, for example, you have to include the variable age on both sides of the AND operator. And if you're going to use the AND operator, you have to understand that both of those expressions have to be true in order for the true outcome to occur. And so they have something called short circuit, and you have short circuit for the AND or operator or the OR operator, and it works pretty much the same, except it pretty much piggybacks off the operator you're using. So it works like the AND operator, and if you use the OR operator, then it works off the OR operator. So short circuiting is basically the same. So it uses the ability to evaluate only as much of the expression as necessary, whether something is true or false. So the OR operator using only one piece, or at least one piece, of the Boolean expression is considered true. So you must also include the Boolean expression on both sides of the operator as well. Again, here's an example. For the OR operator, if age is greater than 18, or parent is greater than 21, and any one of these can be true to make this if statement to be true. If I am 17 years old, then the first section is false. But if my parent is over 21, so then it would make it true. So then you could give us access to the bar, but I can't drink, but I can at least go in. The and, if age has to be greater than 18, so I have to be at least 19 years old, and my parent has to be over 21, both of those must be true in order for me to use this if decision if I'm using the AND operator. So know the difference. So short-circuiting would be, it won't care what my age is. Maybe it'll just double check if the parent is over 21 and then just skip me. Because if at least the parent is over 21, then it doesn't matter if I'm old enough, for example. So that's what short-circuiting means. Finding out which one that makes sense to test first, because it will go from left to right. That's how you can basically skipping everything, as long as you can find the most obvious outcome first.